Hello again. Welcome to English for Occupational Purposes class. In this second video, we are going to continue with Chapter 1, Introduction to Career Path, Part 2. So for today's lesson, I'll be giving a lecture. First thing first, let's look at the objective of today's lesson. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to determine a career path based on different factors and assess individual skills before choosing a career path. The next step to pursue your career path is to assess your individual skills. Assessing your individual skills is important to know more about yourself, your interests, your skills, your personality, and so on. Then you use the information to match it with the requirements of the job that you want to pursue to get the best fit. Assessing your individual skills can give information about your strengths and weaknesses, your advantages and disadvantages, your pros and cons. It can also help to determine your best traits, skills, or experience, and also information on what you need to improve or what is lacking in you. From the assessment also, you can tailor-made your job application documents to become more powerful and impactful, thus matching the needs of the job you are trying to apply. However, the assessment may not be able to tell on whether you'll be happy when doing the job. You need to equip yourself with necessary skills to grab the attention of potential employer so they can hire you. Skills can be obtained through learning or by experience and must be improved or updated to stay relevant in the labor market. When assessing individual skills, identify three main types of skills. The first one is technical skills or occupational skills. It refers to specific skills needed to perform well in the job or position you are applying. It is often referred to as hard skills. For example, to perform well as an architect, you need to have technical skills like drawing a plan, deep understanding of construction materials, and capability to prepare precise construction detailing, and so on. The second type of skills is transferable skills or employability skills, usually referred to as soft skills. It is called transferable skills because the ability helps to conduct tasks across professions. For example, you need budgeting skills and communication skills as a teacher, lecturer, doctor, accountant, engineer, and so on. The third one is personal skills or your personality. Basically refers to your attitudes, habits, and styles. For example, being hardworking or happy-go-lucky. Having a lot of transferable skills do equip you with the ability to do a lot of things and help you to survive in the real world. Having transferable skills such as foundational skills, interpersonal skills, communication skills, problem solving and critical thinking skills, team working skills, ethics and legal responsibilities, career development skills, and last but not least, leadership skills help to prepare you in facing challenges at the workplace. Now, I hope you understand on how to determine your career path and assessing your individual skills. As homework, I want you to find a job advertisement of your choice. It can be online, it can also be printed from various sources. For example, JobStreet, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere. Okay? Then save the job advertisement. Based on the job descriptions listed in the job advertisement, prepare a table to categorize the job advertisement into 3 skills: technical, transferable, or personal skills. For this task, you have 7 days to complete. Once you are done, submit it through the system before the deadline. You can refer to this example as reference. In this case, the job title is a housewife. In the description column, you list down the job descriptions as in the job advertisement. Like in this example, a housewife need to prepare food, clean, drive a car, organize, budget, and so on and so forth. Once you are done, determine whether the skills are technical, transferable, or personal skills. Once finished, you can use this table to make comparison with yourself. Assess your individual skills to see whether you already have the skills or you need to learn in order to acquire the skills. The more skills you have, the more eligible you are in applying for your dream job. The lesser skills you have, the lesser possibility for you to get the job. Okay? Once you are done, upload the outcome through the system. Okay? So that will be all for today. Thank you, everyone. See you in next class.